Hello, hi everyone. This is class 4 of Concept and Rights. Topic name is Concept and Rights and Duties. The PYQ we will discuss on this class. First is A says to B that he will give a sum of rupees 500 to B if B marries his daughter. This is options are vested right, contingent right, primary right and secondary right. The correct option is contingent right. According to Solomon, the correlative of liberty is option 1 duty, second is no rights, 3 subjection and 4th is disability. Its correct answer is second, no rights. According to Solomon, correlative of liberty is no right. Following duties have been included by Austin in the category of absolute duty. First option is duties owned to person indefinitely. Duty owned to person indefinitely. Next, self-regarding duties owned to the sworn, duty owned to the parents. And the correct option of is A4, first, second and third. First is duty owned to the person indefinitely. Next, self-regarding duty owned to the sworn. Match the column. Next one is match. Option 1 is list 1 and list 2 matching. Time barred debt, right to reputation, right to physical integrity, right arising out of a contract. Fourth is option 4 is A का 3. Time barred debt, imperfect right. B का 1, right to reputation, personal right. And C का 4, right to physical integrity, right in rem. Right arising out of contract. Second, right in personam. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Fifth option A, privilege, second duty, third power, fourth absolute. First is privilege. A, fifth का फिफ्थ का A का 2, privilege, freedom from the claim of another. Duty, second is duty का 1, gives consent to claim of a person. And power, ability to person to change the legal relation. C का 4 and D का 3. Absolute duty have no correlation claim according to Austin. Which is given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. A legal right is legally protected interest. An element of advantage is essential to constitute right. Okay. And sixth option is A is true and R is false. A legal right is legally protected interest and an element of advantage is essential to constitute right. Next, perfect right, match the column. 7th question. Perfect right, negative right, imperfect right, positive right. A का 2, perfect right which has the correlative duty that can be legally enforced. Negative right has right to receive damages. Imperfect right, that right which although recognized by state but not enforceable. And D, which has correlative positive duty. Next, 8, legal rights are institutional right to decision in courts. Institution about the justice pre-pose a fundamental right, namely that right to equality, which I call the right to equal concern and respect. Who propounded this theory in Janice relation to the natural rights? इस थ्योरी को किसने नेचुरल राइट्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो किया. मतलब प्रोपाउंड किया, मतलब बताया। नेक्स्ट इसका आंसर है 8 का फर्स्ट डॉकिंग ने इसको बताया। नेक्स्ट इज और अकॉर्डिंग सॉल्व एवरी राइट इन्वॉल्व ए थ्री फोल्ड रिलेशन। सॉल्व के अनुसार हर एक राइट के 3 फोल्ड रिलेशन होते हैं। वो रिलेशन कौन कौन से हैं? पहला, इट इज राइट अगेंस्ट द सम पर्सन और पर्सन। सेकंड, it is right to some act or omission of such person or persons. It is right over something to which that act or omission relates. इन्हें तीनों ऑप्शन सही हैं। सेकंड ऑप्शन will be the right. Next 10th question. No one has any other right than always to do his duty. It was stated by. किसी का अपनी ड्यूटी करने के अलावा कोई राइट नहीं है। ये किसके द्वारा कहा गया है? ये डुगिट द्वारा कहा गया है। नेक्स्ट 11th, प्रोफेसर हॉलैंड डिस्टिंग्विश लीगल राइट फ्रॉम द सॉलमन द रेडक्लिफ। प्रोफेसर हॉलैंड ने डिस्टिंग्विश राइट लीगल राइट्स को अलग किया है, किसके द्वारा? ये किया गया है लॉर्ड डैनिंग के द्वारा। ऑप्शंस में लॉर्ड डैनिंग ऑप्शन है। असर्शन वाला क्वेश्चन, A perfect duty is one which a man not merely ought to perform but may be justify the compelled to perform. A assertion है। A reason, a perfect duty is one which is not to merely recognized by the law but enforced. 12th question है, दोनों सही हैं, A and R are true. Next 13th question. Consider the following statement regarding the vested and contingent rights. Vested right creates immediate interest and transferable heritable. Vested right create immediate effect and transferable and heritable. Okay, ये सही है, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सही है। नेक्स्ट मैच 14th, which of the following elements of legal rights? लीगल राइट्स के कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं? लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लायबिलिटी एंड पावर्ड अप। लायबिलिटी, टाइटल एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी। थर्ड ऑप्शन होना चाहिए। सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड टाइटल। लीगल राइट्स के सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड टाइटल ऑप्शन है। नेक्स्ट मैच लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2। लीगल राइट्स मींस ए कैपेसिटी टू residing in a one man of the controlling with the assent and assistance of state and the act. इसका है हॉलैंड। Right is not an interest by itself but it is the mean by which enjoyment of interest is secured. इसका एक है ग्रे। Right is a power over a object which by which means of this right he subject to will the person in bond enjoy the right. इसका फोर्थ है पुष्टा and no one has any other right than always to do his duty. इसका थर्ड है डुगेट। assertion वाले क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 16 assertion question. A claim to recover a debt barred by the lapse of time is imperfect right. The statute of limitation does not provide that after a certain time a debt shall become extinct. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A is true and R is false. A claim is to recover debt barred by the lapse of time is an imperfect right. 17th question. A has a house and nobody should interfere with the enjoyment of property right overthrow the house. The right is called. Write it match list 1 and 2. First, right, privilege, power, immunity. 18th question. Right is a duty. Privilege is a disability. No right. Power liability, immunity, disability. A perfect duty. 19th question. A perfect duty is one which a person not merely ought to perform but may be justified compared to perform. A perfect duty is one which is not merely recognized by law but enforceable law. 19th का first of 20. A legal right is legally protected interest, an element of advantage essential to constitutional right. A is right and R is wrong. C option. Next 20 question. Illegal right is legal. Next 21. Which one of the following are the two main theories of legal rights? First, interest theory and fiction theory, realistic theory and will theory, bracket theory and interest theory and will theory. 21st question का आंसर है interest theory and will theory. Next 22nd question. Claim, liability, power, immunity. 22nd. एक क्लेम एक ड्यूटी और बी का नो क्लेम, लिबर्टी नो क्लेम, पावर, लाइबिलिटी, इम्यूनिटी, डिसेबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट 23rd क्वेश्चन. Match 1 and 2. A right which although recognized by law is not enforceable. जो लॉ द्वारा enforceable नहीं है. Imperfect right. A person's right in relation to his property. Proprietary right. A person's right related to the status and that arising out of the contract. Personal right, a right which does not create an immediate interest. Contagious right. Solomon enumerates the 5 characteristics of legal rights. For such characteristics are subject of right, object of right, content of right, title of right. Fifth characteristic. Subject of corresponding duty. Fifth characteristic. Subject of corresponding duty. Next 25th question. Which of the following duties have been included by Austin in the category of absolute duties? Austin द्वारा कौन सी कैटेगरी को absolute duty कहा गया है? First, second, and third. Duties owned by the person indefinitely. Self-regarding duties owned by the sovereign. Next 26. Which of the following are the exception of the specific enforcement rule of the theory of the remedial liability? इनमें से कौन सा theory of the remedial liability के according है? चारों theory of the remedy के ऑप्शन के लिए हैं. Which of the following is not correct in relation to the right in its various forms and its correlatives? power. 47 का 3. Power liability. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, statement personal rights are inheritable. Legal rights are recognized and enforceable by law. In the light of the above statement, both are correct. One is incorrect and second is correct. As per Solon, there are 4 distinct kinds of rights. Solon के अंदर 4 तरह के rights होते हैं. Liberty, rights, liberty, power, immunity, kindness right नहीं. ABD, ABCD, AB. 29 का ABCD on this. Thank you. This is for the now. We'll continue with the next chapter, next topic from next class. Thanks for watching.